has not yet replaced my sketching, but it definitely has changed the way on how I think about my workflow. You see, in the past it was 3D modeling, but in recent years sketching has become my main tool. But today I took one of my sketches and AI turned it into a 3D animation. It kind of blew my mind. It's extremely fast. It's too fast. So let's see what Nano Banana really does and what it will all cost us. I'm in a senior role. I sketch. That's what I do. And I don't 3D model a lot. Today I modeled something for you. Usually I get something like this. A plot, a setback, a side boundary, and within a city context. Now, but hey, if AI starts to turning sketches into, I don't know, 3D models and or renderings, animations, then what is exactly left of the process? What's the price tag? Are we paying with our creativity, environment, or skill? Okay, before I sketch over this, I thought actually I modeled this now. Can we have a look on what would Nano Banana do with this information? Let's see. And just for your better understanding, so Nano Banana is available through Gemini Studio or Google AI Studio, I think. But also it's now a plugin in Photoshop. So Photoshop will change drastically in the coming years, for sure. I know it's already used every day. Now, okay, let's get this out here. I normally use the view capture to clipboard, HD video. Oh, I use the HD video resolution, but usually make it bigger for me to sketch over. And okay, now I can open a new window and just place this here. Just Control V. Okay. Now, how to access this? You need to have the latest version of Photoshop, or I think you need to purchase a plugin to access this. But the latest version basically has it installed. So I'm talking about the version 27.0.0. Now, how does it actually work? You need to have your image selected, and we just select this here, and it pops up this generate infill. And now if I click on this, I can go here and choose the AI model I want to generate the image from. So you have Firefly Image 3, Firefly Image 1. These are the Adobe owned models. And then we have others. We have the Flux Context Pro. It's a conversational editing tool. And then we have Gemini 2.5, also called Nano Banana. By far, this is the most powerful. Seriously, I would just ask a very simple question. Can you translate this into a realistic looking cityscape? Generate. Wow. All right. I mean, okay. It pretty much understood exactly what it needs to be. Not talking about design, but it understood the very simple 3D massing model. It even recognized this building is rotated. It added more rows in here, but it's quite mind-blowing. Let's see what it does if I sketch over. I will speed this up a bit so you don't have to watch everything I do. It's not a masterpiece for sure, but that's the whole point. Okay, let's just, so this was my first test and this is a new layer. So what we need to do in order for this to work is to actually merge everything together. Usually what I do is I make a copy first, duplicate layers, okay, and then I merge the stuff together. Now I can, so I still have everything there. All right, generate a realistic cityscape with a circular rain garden in the square. This is scary, but it actually changed it into a drawing. So, okay. All right, let's try this again. Translate this in realistic looking rendering of cityscape. I don't want to know. That is quite insane. My sketching has confused AI a bit, but this. By the way, if you don't have the plugin for Photoshop, you can do the same in your Google account if you go to Google AI Studio, I think. All right, let's try something. Let's go a bit further. What else can we do with this? Winter scene with snow and Christmas decoration. Evening light. Okay, we're not yet there, but at least it made some ice rink. I could jump into Flow. All right, let's see how that works in Flow. So can I turn this into an animation? Let's see. Text to video, create image. No, frames to video. Yes, that's what we need. Okay, upload. Okay, I've loaded here my image, and let's see what it does. I want to create a loop maybe. So I will add this here again. No, I want to actually fly into the image. Create a fly through animation. I mean, I'm not sure if that actually works, but let's see. I just want to have one output. Landscape. Yeah. All right. Wow. Okay. That is scary. I'm not sure how it does it. The car's driving backwards. This is a bit weird. But yeah, it works. Look. But hey, I mean, who will look at that? And it kept even the hotel sign. It's insane. Is this useful? It probably is, but it is also very scary at the same time. Okay, this part actually freaked me out a bit. I mean, if let's have a look. I didn't animate. I didn't set a camera. I didn't plan a shot. I just said, can you make a fly through? I mean, it's not perfect. You can see some of the cars are driving backwards. I mean, but who cares? Kept everything, and it looks quite crazy, I have to say. So the question is, who actually controls the design? Is it still me, or is it AI? Well, the scary bit, I'm actually scared we stop our creativity because we're getting too lazy to think about the design. So how can we stay on top of the game? How can we make sure that we control the narrative? That leads me to you. What's your take on this? What do you think about it? Let me know in the show notes. All right. Hey, before I jump off, something very important to me and the channel members. If you want to become a channel member, please check out my membership page on YouTube, on the channel page. And yes, we want to celebrate, of course, the latest additions to the team. First up, and guys, you have such fantastic names. It's super exciting, at the same time super terrifying, because I never know how to pronounce it. I will try anyway. Gabriel Ribeiro Nepomuceno. Absolutely fantastic. And thank you so much for joining my channel. I know it's already a few days ago. Next up, we have Max Marin. Max Marin. That sounds familiar, the name. And yeah, he has a video about probably him. Yes, must be him doing ceramics. I actually also learned ceramics when I was in school, in art school. It was pretty fun. Ceramics is still probably safe for the next years from AI. I hope so, I guess. But yeah, thanks Max for joining the channel and for supporting me. It means a lot. Next up, Rasool Özlük. I hope that must be correct. Seems like interested in V-Ray, interior design, InDesign. Again, thanks a lot for the big support. Now, this one is a special one because I have different levels in my membership. They are not really, you don't really get much more perks, or it's more about what you want to help, or how do you want to support the channel. And Juan, I hope it's correct, I think it's Juan, has sponsored me with the highest, so far highest level. Juan joined as a Komodo dragon, which is the 3rd level membership, and therefore Juan will be credited in the end screen of this video. And Juan, you triggered a monthly live stream for members only. So yeah, I'm still thinking what I'm gonna stream, but let me know if you have an idea. Please let me know, and thank you so much for your big support. It means a lot. All right, see you guys in the next videos. Ciao.